All right, car fanatics, the future is here, and boy, do we have a treat for you today. Get ready to feast your eyes on the top 7 cars in the world for 2025 and 2026. These automobiles aren't just vehicles, they're game changers, pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering, design, and sheer driving pleasure. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a wild ride through the world of automotive excellence. And don't forget to stick around until the end. You definitely won't want to miss the number 1 car on our list today. It's mind-blowing. Starting off our countdown at number 7, we have the awe-inspiring 2025 Tesla Roadster. This isn't your average electric car. Oh no, my friends. The Tesla Roadster is a high-performance, all-electric sports car that promises to rewrite the rules of acceleration, range, and overall driving experience. Imagine going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds. Well, that's not a dream. It's a reality with the Tesla Roadster. Powered by an electric motor that produces 760 horsepower, this four-wheel drive wonder boasts an insane acceleration rate that will leave even the most seasoned drivers breathless. Now, range anxiety becomes a thing of the past as the Tesla Roadster has an impressive range of over 600 miles on a single charge. You can zoom from San Francisco to Los Angeles without needing to recharge. Talk about freedom on the road. But that's not all. The Tesla Roadster takes things to a whole new level with its optional SpaceX thruster package. Yes, you heard it right. Rocket thrusters in a car. These cold air thrusters provide an additional boost of power, taking the acceleration to an unimaginable level. Picture yourself launching from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in less than 1.9 seconds. It's like being in a real-life video game. The Tesla Roadster is not just about raw performance. It's also loaded with cutting-edge features. The retractable glass roof lets you enjoy the sunshine or starlit sky while cruising along. And the futuristic interior boasts a state-of-the-art infotainment system powered by Tesla's latest artificial intelligence. This car is not just a vehicle. It's a testament to what can be achieved when technology, innovation, and sustainability come together. With the Tesla Roadster, you'll be driving the epitome of electric sports car excellence. Are you ready to join the electric revolution? Taking the 6th spot on our list is the highly anticipated 2026 Mercedes-AMG 1, a true masterpiece of automotive engineering that seamlessly blends the thrill of Formula One racing with the luxury of a grand tourer. Imagine having a street-legal F1 car at your fingertips. Well, with the AMG 1, that dream becomes a reality. Powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged V6 hybrid engine, the same engine used in Mercedes' F1 car. This automotive marvel produces over 1,000 horsepower. That means you'll experience breathtaking acceleration and heart-pounding speed like never before. But it's not just about raw power. Mercedes-AMG 1 boasts exceptional handling and agility thanks to its all-wheel drive system and active aerodynamics. Whether you're cruising through city streets or carving corners on a racetrack, this car is designed to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. The exclusivity of the AMG 1 is equally impressive. With only 275 units being produced, each car is a unique work of art. The handcrafted interior exudes luxury and sophistication, with premium materials and attention to detail that is simply unmatched. But be prepared to dig deep into your pockets for this automotive masterpiece. All 275 units have already been sold at a staggering price tag of $2.7 million. If you're fortunate enough to own one, you'll be joining an elite group of car enthusiasts who appreciate the finer things in life. The Mercedes-AMG 1 is more than just a car. It's a symbol of automotive excellence, a fusion of racing pedigree and refined luxury. Now settling into the 5th spot on our list is the highly anticipated 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon. Following in the footsteps of its legendary predecessor, the Chiron, the Tourbillon is set to redefine luxury hypercar performance. Imagine a world where internal combustion engines roar like lions and electric motors purr like panthers. Well, with the Bugatti Tourbillon, that hybrid dream becomes a reality. Prepare to be amazed as Bugatti unleashes their first ever hybrid hypercar. Under the hood, the Tourbillon houses an 8.3-liter naturally aspirated W16 engine. The same engine that has been gracing Bugatti's hypercars for years. But Bugatti isn't one to rest on its laurels. They've taken things a step further by introducing 3 electric motors to the mix. Talk about electrifying power. The result? an astonishing 1,800 horsepower, which means the tourbillon can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds. Now, hold on to your seats for the top speed. This hybrid monster is estimated to reach well over 280 miles per hour. All that power comes with a price tag that could make your jaw drop. With limited production numbers, the Bugatti Tourbillon is a rare gem. The jewel-like interior adorned with a Swiss watch-inspired dashboard exudes timeless elegance. Driving the Tourbillon is akin to experiencing pure automotive bliss. Every mile is a celebration of speed, luxury, and cutting-edge engineering. Now, if you've ever dreamed of owning a piece of automotive history, look no further than the 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon. Now hanging on to the fourth spot on our list is the magnificent 2025 Aston Martin Valhalla. This hybrid hypercar is not just a pretty face. It's a technological marvel that pushes the boundaries of automotive innovation. Imagine a car that combines the thrill of Formula One racing with the elegance of a British Grand Tourer. With the Valhalla, that dream becomes a reality. Under the hood, this sleek machine houses a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with dual electric motors. Together, they produce a mind-boggling 998 horsepower combined power output. The Valhalla isn't just about brute force. It's also equipped with an advanced PHEV system providing an all-electric range of 15 miles. That means you can zip through city streets silently and emission-free whenever you desire. But when you crave speed and power, simply switch to hybrid mode and unleash the full force of the Valhalla. Now let's talk performance. The Aston Martin Valhalla sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 2.5 seconds. While its top speed is limited to 217 miles per hour, however, don't be fooled by its seemingly modest top speed. This car is engineered for cornering excellence with a carbon fiber chassis and F1-derived aerodynamics. Exclusivity is another aspect that sets the Valhalla apart. With only 999 units being produced, each car is a unique masterpiece. Priced at $800,000 plus, the Valhalla isn't just a car, it's a status symbol of automotive refinement and cutting-edge technology. Taking the number 3 spot on our list is the extraordinary 2025 Rimac Nevera. This Croatian hypercar isn't just a pretty face, it's a technological marvel that redefines electric hypercar performance. Now prepare to be astounded as we unveil some jaw-dropping facts about the Rimac Nevera. With an all-electric powertrain, the Nevera produces an eye-popping 1,914 horsepower. That means it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-blowing 1.74 seconds. Forget about quarter-mile times, because the Nevera obliterates them by completing the quarter mile in just 8.25 seconds. But what about range? Well, the Nevera has got that covered too, thanks to its 120 kilowatt battery. This electric hypercar boasts an impressive range of 340 miles on a single charge. That means you can tear through winding roads and never worry about running out of juice. When it comes to charging, the Nevera supports 500 kW fast charging, allowing you to charge from 0 to 80% in just 19 minutes. Now let's talk about exclusivity. With only 150 units being produced worldwide, the Nevera is a rare find. But with a hefty price tag of $2.5 million, it's only for the most discerning car enthusiasts. The Rimac Nevera is not just a car, it's a statement. It's a statement that electric vehicles can not only match but surpass the performance of their internal combustion counterparts. Soaring to the second spot on our list is the awe-inspiring 2025 Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute. This Swedish hypercar is poised to break the barriers of speed and redefine automotive excellence. Imagine a car that can achieve a top speed of over 300 miles per hour. Well, with the Jesko Absolute, that dream becomes a reality, powered by a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. The Jesko Absolute churns out an astounding 1,600 horsepower when running on E85 fuel and 1,280 horsepower on 91 octane. But that's not all. This hypercar boasts a lightning-fast 9-speed multi-clutch transmission, ensuring seamless gear shifts that will leave you breathless. The Jesko Absolute is not just about raw power. It's also meticulously designed to achieve its targeted top speed of over 300 miles per hour. The drag coefficient stands as a testament to its aerodynamic efficiency. With only 125 units being produced, the Jesko Absolute is the epitome of exclusivity. Each car is a unique work of art, and with a price tag well over $3 million, it's a symbol of automotive extravagance. The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute is more than just a car. It's a marvel of engineering and design, a true champion of speed and luxury. Finally, drumroll please, the no. One car on our list is the game-changing 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre. This all-electric luxury coupe marks a new era for the iconic brand. Imagine combining the opulence of a Rolls-Royce with the thrill of electric driving. Oh, with the Spectre, that dream becomes a dazzling reality. It's powered by dual electric motors. This sleek coupe produces 584 horsepower and an astonishing 664 pound-feet of torque. Despite its massive power, the Spectre isn't just about brute force. It's designed to elevate the Rolls-Royce driving experience to new heights. The Spectre gracefully accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, leaving you spellbound by its electric prowess. But it's not just the performance that sets the Spectre apart. The luxury and craftsmanship are truly unparalleled. From the Starlight headliner adorning thousands of fiber optic lights to the intricately designed doors that close on their own. Every detail speaks of opulence and refinement. The Spectre carries on the Rolls-Royce tradition of creating bespoke masterpieces. With customization being at the core of their brand, there are no limits to what you can envision for your Spectre. Starting at $420,000, this electric coupe sets a new standard in electric luxury. Prices can skyrocket depending on the extent of customizations. The Rolls-Royce Spectre is not just a car, it's a statement, a symbol of sustainable luxury and forward-thinking elegance. That was a thrilling ride through the top 7 cars in the world for 2025 and 2026. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving bolder.